If you're not already using Google Ads Performance Max negative keywords, you're definitely missing out on an opportunity here. I'm going to show you actual example in a client account here where there's a bunch of budget being spent on terms that are not really relevant. And I'm guessing if you have not checked this for your own campaigns that you're probably in the same situation. So let me show you really quick. It's going to be simple and easy, and you can save a good amount of your budget and put that towards stuff that's actually performing. So let's dive right into this. First things first, you're going to need to pull up your Google Ads account. And I've gone to a Performance Max campaign and I've selected it from the campaigns here. So first went to campaigns, selected the campaign, then under insights and reports, you'll see search terms right here. If you click on search terms and you've selected your PMAX campaign, you should see it says Performance Max right here. Then we can see match type is Performance Max, and there's a whole bunch of search terms. Now, this is for a bathtub reglazing company. And what that means is they take bathtubs and they refinish the surface of the bathtub. But they don't do bathtub or bathroom remodeling. They only sand down the surface of the tub, recoat it, and that's it, right? They don't do they don't put showers in, they don't take showers out, they don't build stuff. They just reglaze surfaces of tile and porcelain and different surfaces, right? So we can already see that in this account, this PMAX campaign has been getting a bunch of clicks on terms like bathroom remodel quotes, bathroom shower remodel. That being said, I don't necessarily know if we're getting conversions on these yet. So what we need to do is add some columns in here. And if you're just for the first time looking at your search terms in your Performance Max campaign, you're probably going to see columns that look somewhat similar to this. They're pretty limited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to columns, and I'm going to go to conversions, and I'm going to add in some of these other values here. And I like to just organize these so it's a little bit easier to see because this is the most important data usually. And then I'm going to apply and let it refresh here. And now we can see that we are actually getting leads from these different terms that are not really relevant. So if somebody's searching for a bathroom remodel, the odds of them just wanting to resurface their tile or porcelain of their tub or shower or something is probably pretty small, right? In fact, we would prefer that our ads just show up when people are searching for things like, bathtub reglazing Los Angeles or how to glaze a bathtub, things of that nature, right? So what we can do is add in some negative keywords here. So I'm going to come through and I'm going to select a bathtub remodel, or excuse me, bathroom remodel quotes, bathroom shower remodel. I'm going to leave this one because that one's good. Shower remodel, bathroom remodeling near me, remodel. This is glazing, which is good. Replacement, that's not really anything that this company is going to deal with. How to, we don't really want any how-to stuff. So you get the idea. Already right here, what is this? It's probably $30-$40 in ad spend. Oh, actually, I'm looking at the wrong column here. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe. Roughly $70 in ad spend that could be going towards terms that are actually getting conversions. And depending on the cost per conversion, that could be several extra conversions, which could lead to a couple sales, right? And compounded over time, as things scale, that can make a pretty big difference, right? So all we would do here is click add as negative keywords, and then I'm going to just do this at the campaign level. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now we have the negative keywords added into our Performance Max campaign. And those negative keywords are going to prevent our ads from showing up when somebody searches for things like bathtub remodel. And instead, our ads are going to show up when people are searching for things like bathtub reglazing, and that's exactly what this company offers. So that is Performance Max negative keywords in a nutshell, real world example. This is the type of work that we do for our clients. In fact, we do offer a free Google Ads audit. It's like an analysis. If you want, you can check in the link down below and get signed up. If you qualify, we'll go and analyze your account. And oftentimes, these are the things that we find, little things that most people don't think to check, that it's just wasting a bunch of budget and can really drastically improve the performance of your account. And it's absolutely free. If you qualify, go ahead and fill out the link down below, get signed up, and we'll see you on the other side.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.